In this video, I'm going to show you how to find gold on NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you want to go to the control center up top over here, or of course wherever you have it on your screen, and then you want to go and click on a new, and you want to click on a chart over here. Now that's the kind of the easiest way to do this. When you click on chart, it's going to pop up a new chart and it says instrument and then select. You can click on a drop down, or what you could also do, and what I recommend if you're searching for gold, you can just click in here and type in gold. Now, when you type in gold over here, you can see there's going to be everything related to gold. You have things like GC, which is like gold futures. You have gold CFDs, mini CFDs, etc. And then that way, of course, you can find gold. If I click on this one here, for example, there we go. It's going to allow me to basically set all the properties, and I can just go and click on OK over here, and it's going to give me that specific chart, and I've successfully found the gold on NinjaTrader. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.